Imperialism versus colonialism. What's the difference? Many students use these terms interchangeably, but they are not exactly the same. Imperialism. It refers to a powerful country's effort to dominate another country economically, politically, culturally, or militarily. A nation can be imperialistic even without directly settling people in the conquered territory. Colonialism. Colonialism is one method of carrying out imperialism. It involves establishing settlements, creating colonies, and directly governing foreign territories. A simple way to remember, imperialism is the policy or ideology. Colonialism is the practical implementation of that policy. Imagine a tree. Imperialism is the entire tree. Colonialism is one of its branches. For instance, Britain ruling India as a colony is colonialism. The larger ambition of extending British power across the world is imperialism.